From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
Get the fuck off of Gearspace and play with your gear. Get the fuck off of Gearspace. I know it's tough to hear. Get the fuck off of Gearspace. Stop wasting your time. A commodity so precious, its loss is a crime. You'll learn so much more by trying and failing and avoiding the advice of those who are flailing. Because as much as you think gear forums can teach, let me try to explain with this little speech. Maybe you can't stay away because you're addicted to mics, plugins, and preamps. It's all self-inflicted. Now, asking a question or two isn't bad, but when you waste hours there each day, it should make you mad. For every ounce of friendly advice, you'll find 3 ounces of one-upsmanship like it's open mic night. Sure, some people there really know how to do it, but too many of the posts there are just piles of shit. Being hands-on with the gear you have will educate you more than reading amateur hour claims, half-assed opinions, or lore. Do you really need whatever new piece of gear they're discussing? Will it really make a difference, or are you just fussing? While not all forum browsing is pointless, and you can find answers that will get you going, realize there's a big fucking difference between experiencing and just knowing. There are no rules in recording, so bend it till it breaks and journey forth with your ears and courage knowing you will make mistakes. Experimentation is the crucible in which real art is created and the pulsing womb from which confidence and ability inflated. Don't cut and paste settings, templates, and sounds, but create your own path. Please, let me expound. If you want to succeed, being original is key. Cast away the urge to copycat. Just set yourself free. Don't be afraid to twist knobs and change some settings. Try anything you can think. Toss it up against the wall. Try something different. Throw in the kitchen sink. You can always read the manual if you don't know how it works. But stop only copycatting others. Go with your own quirks. Because the bottleneck to go pro is all quite congested. So unless you have an uncle in the biz, let this be suggested. If you can't bring something that's uniquely you to the table, then know this idea you can quit your day job is only a fable. If you have to rely on someone to teach you everything, hate to say it, but you're probably not cut out for that audio brass ring. Get the fuck off of Gearspace. You can check once or twice a day, but don't just scroll endlessly trying to find something to say. Maybe you're lonely, just looking to be social. Maybe it's the only thing that makes you emotional. Or if audio is just a hobby and you're really not serious, go ahead, hang on the forums until you're delirious. But if you're not making real connections or advancing your career, stop and ask yourself, what the hell am I doing here? Unless you crave bad advice from amateurs, cranks, and wannabes who have less relevant experience than an old dog has fleas. So get the fuck off of Gearspace, experiment like crazy, and spend more time doing. Because take it from someone who learned the hard way. It's only your own future that you're screwing. You're listening to my newest DIY 87. This one I'm calling The Holy Fuchs. Until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.